I think the 3-3-3 method, also known as the Sudoku method, is the perfect method for packing for Italy. It lets you blend style and comfort because you're going to be navigating cobblestone streets, stairs. You need to prioritize lightweight, versatile fabrics because you may get into some rain. Because we are packing the 3-3-3 method and we're staying for 7 days, there's a chance we may need to rewear some of our clothing. And so we need fabrics that we're going to be able to wash out easily in the sink and that are going to hang to dry fairly quickly. And in the wintertime, things don't dry as quickly because of the humidity in the air. So it's just something to be mindful of. I chose this toiletry kit because of the size. It is tall versus wide, and I like that. It also has some side pockets so I can throw in some last minute flat items, and I think that's going to be super helpful. Personally, I love a toiletry kit that hangs up. How about you guys? Okay, this compression sponge, it comes completely dried and flat. It's so thin like a wafer. When you wet it, it becomes a sponge. Originally, I had these for my face, but I use them more and more in the bathtub as a washcloth or in the shower or to put on the sink and put my soap, my bar soap on top of that. It keeps it from getting all gummy and yucky. Then these are my usual little small containers with eye cream and sunscreen and moisturizer, these little ampules that I get at Dollar Tree that have niacinamide in them or retinol in them. I'm starting to start to travel with just those instead of bringing my creams and gels because these little ampules hold so much. One ampule will give me a full face of moisturizer. They're really good. Then I found these little teeny tiny razors at Dollar Tree. They're super small and they do the job. Then I have my makeup. As I mentioned in a previous video, sometimes I'll keep my makeup with me in my personal item, but if I don't need to put on a full face as soon as I get there, I'll just put it in my toiletry kit. So it just depends. You can always put this in your personal item or you can carry it in your regular kit. I love the way the zippers go down the sides so that when you unzip it, it completely opens. You're not having this small little gap to get your stuff in and out of. I'm bringing toiletry size hairspray and mousse, and having this toiletry kit be taller instead of wider has just been awesome. My Turby towel goes with me wherever I go. It just speeds up the drying process for my hair. This small hairbrush is perfect for me. The places we're going to be staying will have a blow dryer. Solid deodorant, especially in the wintertime, you don't want a cold gel or a cold spray, so the solid is perfect. This is my Downy releaser. I found a smaller spray bottle to use instead of the bottle that it came in, but I spray everything when I hang it up. It refreshes the fabric and it releases the wrinkles. Again, I wear contact lenses, so I have to bring contact solution. You will not be anywhere in Italy where you will not have a pharmacy close by. So if you run out of any of this stuff, it's going to be easy to replace it. You may even be able to get better there. The skincare there is really amazing. I bring Dr. Bronner's because if I want to just have a one solution item, so it'll do hair, face, body, laundry. Dr. Bronner's is wonderful. And then my foldable toothbrush. And I will have toothpaste. I don't have it in here right now, but I will have toothpaste in there as well. And you can see it zips up. It's everything's contained. I love this toiletry kit. This is a shoe bag. Now, you can use any kind of bag you want for your shoes, but because I'm bringing boots, I wanted to have them in a bag. It's just easier to get them in and out and carry them around. Inside each of these boots is underwear, socks, shoe liners. I have two pairs of wool socks. I have a pair of slippers, and I have 3 or 4 pairs of underwear. Because, like I said, we are going to have access to wash machines, so we will do laundry along the way if we need to. I know that most people say wear the heaviest items on the plane. However, 7-hour flight is not the time I want to be wearing heavy boots. They're perfect when I get to Italy because of the soles of the boots. They're great for walking on the cobblestone and in the rain, and they're not slippery, but I don't want to wear them on the plane. So the way I rationalize it is I just stuff them full of stuff so it makes it worthwhile to pack them. This is a tripped packing cube. You saw that one zipper open, there was nothing in there. That's because it's a two-sided packing cube. So when you unzip that other side, it has a special liner, and that's where you put your dirty clothes. So you take them from the clean side to the dirty side. It keeps them separate so that your clean clothes aren't affected by your dirty clothes. It is a compression cube, so it zips all the way around, reduces this air about 60% from the original cube, so that saves a lot of space. The zippers work fantastic. The zippers are so good. I'm so impressed with this. It's lightweight. The fabric feels good. It comes with these little labels. So if you and your partner both have the same color packing cube and you want to delineate whose is whose, you can have these little labels. All right, let's talk about the 333 method. So 3 pants. So I've got a pair of jeans, a pair of travel pants. These dry really quickly. And then my final pair of pants is a pair of leggings. My leggings I will also use if I get cold at night. I will wear them under my nightgown. All right, and then we have layering pieces. So I have this Barefoot Dreams hooded cardigan with pockets. It's so comfy cozy. I will use it as a sweater. I will also use it as a bathrobe when we are hanging out in our Airbnb. So because it does double duty, I'm fine with it being a little extra weight and bulky. Who doesn't love a smushy, cushy cardigan in the dead of winter? I mean, hello. All right, so that's a layering piece. My second layering piece is a sweater, a very thin sweater. And then my third layering piece is a merino wool long sleeve shirt. You can see that the colors I chose are white, navy, and gray/black. Purpose of that is everything's interchangeable. So here's a short sleeve t-shirt that I can wear the long sleeve merino wool shirt underneath. This is a long sleeve t-shirt that I can wear under the cardigan and also under the sweater. Here is the merino wool long sleeve shirt I told you about that can be worn under all of these pieces. And then I have a white V-neck cotton long sleeve shirt that again can be worn under the t-shirts and under the sweater. So here's the sweater, and I can wear the white t-shirt under that. And then I'm taking a nightgown with me that is tattered and worn and torn and ready for to be put out to pasture. So I will just throw that nightgown away once our vacation is over. I won't bring it back with me. This is the whole point of the 333 method is you can mix and match every single one of these pieces with the pants and make a multitude of outfits. I don't really have anything dressy or formal, but if we go out to dinner, then I will pair my white long sleeve V-neck t-shirt with my black sweater and wear the cardigan over that. I am also taking a puffer coat. It is a knee-length puffer coat and it squeezes into its own cinch sack. So I will carry that, wear that on the plane. During the flight, I will smush it into the cinch sack and use that as a lumbar pillow or a pillow to rest my arms on during the flight. Blue jeans go with everything, and I did like the tapered leg because that will go into the boot easier. If you have a wide leg, you don't want wide-legged pants on a flight because of the bathroom situation. You don't really want wide leg pants in the winter because they are longer, so they get wet with the ice and the snow, and it just makes for an uncomfortable situation. Well, that's how I created a minimalist wardrobe using the 333 method. I think it's perfect for Italy or any travel destination. This strategy keeps your luggage light while ensuring you're ready for anything from exploring historic landmarks to enjoying dinner. If you haven't already, make sure to check out part 1 of this series on choosing the best travel bags and part 2 where I show you how to pack your personal item and your carry-on item for maximum efficiency. Now it's your turn. What are your go-to clothing pieces for travel? Drop your tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another packing or travel tip. Let's make packing stress-free together. Ciao! We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the Points and Miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.